Hi guys, my name is Desiree. This is my third semester at Widener, so I look forward to working with you guys and learning about this class and everything. I'm pretty excited to start. So I work for Child Protective Services in Delaware. In Delaware, it's called the Division of Family Services. So I actually encounter people all the time who have mental health conditions, whether it's kids, adults, parents, non-relatives, even if they're like a safety plan participant. um, my beliefs about mental health diagnoses, it kind of depends. I think some diagnoses are overused, if that makes sense. Like, I know PTSD is thrown around a lot, or anxiety is thrown around a lot. I think it's pretty hard to diagnose, especially young children, with a particular disorder or condition, just because their brain is still developing. And sometimes kids are all different, so it just depends on like their environment that they live in and that they grow in. It doesn't necessarily, to me, mean they have a mental health condition. So in some ways I do participate to make a diagnosis. It's not my job, obviously. I'm not licensed to make a diagnosis, but it is, since starting this job, it has been easier for me to see, oh, maybe that child has autism or is on the spectrum, or maybe this child has ADHD. So that way I'm more aware, and can kind of hone my skills to help my clients, and get them like the resources they need, whether it's for counseling or family therapy or anything like that. So I am interested, and I'm ready to start this class, and I look forward to having a good semester with you guys. Thanks.